Yo, 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 it's the millionaire trader Alex Jenkins, and we're coming back to you to do a analysis on Great British Pound USD. Now, guys, we have something very, very, very interesting here, guys. And I want you guys to be aware of it, all right? So this is why I'm here to tell you. All right. So now we want to look at the market in the overall perspective, okay? So we're gonna discuss a few things. We're gonna talk about the previous yearly low and the previous yearly high. So at the beginning of this year, it created a low for the year. Okay, that's the first low of the year. All right, that was back in that was February. It was January 11th, 7 a.m. It created the low, and from there the market thrived and moved to the upside. Then it created the high of the year. All right, and that came not too just a little over a month. That'd be February 23rd at 7 o'clock. It created the high of the year. So we got a high and a low of the year at this point. So the market made that high and continued to fall. It started its descent. It came down to a level of 36.64 and turned around. So we knew at this point, once it came down here and made a double bottom, that the market wasn't going to take out the yearly low. Okay, so now that you know that the market's not going to take out the yearly low, all right, so let's put a resistance level there. We call that, we'll put a resistance level here at this double bottom here, all right. So at 36.69, we know the market didn't want to take out that low. So at that point, the market continued to move to the upside. It gave us a double bottom reversal pattern. Okay, if you guys didn't see that, let's go ahead and let's get that marked real quick. Created a double bottom reversal pattern. All right, as you can see it there. Let's go ahead and get that edited real quick. Color we're gonna do orange. We're gonna do yellow. Yellow. That's not showing up good as I want it to show up, guys. We do a bright color. We do this purple. So that's good to find these patterns, guys. It's very, very good to be able to identify chart patterns because it tells a story. The market is telling you a story, okay? Just remember that. So it created a double bottom, and this is the neckline here, guys. That would be the neckline. Be considered the neckline. All right. So the market came here, and it came back and retested and shot out of there and made the new yearly high. From since that point on, the market came down and took out the yearly low. So we're definitely going to see what's going to be the next move for Great British Pound USD. So now we're going to see whether the market's going to continue this downtrend that it's been in since it created the yearly high on May 31st at 7 o'clock. It's been moving down consistently. And, and just technically, it's been moving down. Okay. So now this key area of 138, 1.38, and 1.39 is a major supply and demand zone. And this is going to determine what this pair is going to do for the remainder of the year. This is a what they call a conflict zone. This is conflict here. There'll be a conflict zone here. If you guys have not been paying attention to your fundamental analysis, which is your microeconomics, finding out, keeping up with financial news and things of that nature, and government news, there's a there's a conflict coming here soon financially, and I think on the U.S. dollar side, that would be tapering. So we have a big tapering event coming up here in November. That's going to be the deciding factor on whether this market's going to go past this supply and demand zone and move to the upside to create a new high, or get very close to it, or continue to fall and make another lower low and continue the trend. So you guys, once it has reached this zone, that's when you're deciding when what the buy is going to continue to be. You let the market tell you what it's going to be. It's just going to show its hand. You just be prepared for it, and don't get caught by fake outs, because markets love to do that. Okay, but this is the Great British Pound USD analysis, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and help a brother out. All right. Millionaire trader Alice Jenkins checking out.